Alright dudes, we got some fenders for the burnt Raptor, the crispy biscuit. I think it's gonna look pretty good. Maybe we'll compare them next to each other at some point. Alright, I said it again. It's cold and rainy out. I got my slippies on. Let's put that thing on this guy over here and see how she looks. I'm just hoping that I can clean up those rear plastics, get this crap off of it. These old decals or whatever. I'll have to try the heat gun. But for now, let's just stick the front plastics on there and see how good it looks. I hope. Here we go. Alrighty. Look at that. Now it actually looks like a machine again. Just need a seat and it's pretty much rideable. Need a bunch of little stuff like a parking brake doesn't work at all. I tried it. And this guy here is obviously pretty beat up. And mismatched handles or levers, whatever. Yeah, getting pretty close. Gonna need new lines for the radiator fan, a breather, deep in there somewhere. But all in all, coming along pretty good for surviving a fire. I hope to take this thing out somewhere soon. Give it a real test ride. Okay, that took like 20 minutes. Non-stop heating and scraping, getting that crap off of there. Oh wow, actually got some decent plastic underneath these stickers. Cool. I gotta take care of the rest of it now. So, I'm off. Okay, that's one side. Looks a lot better, matching the front real good now. Just gonna head over here. Now we gotta do this side. Let's do another time lapse, because it's quick and easy, and I'm running out of storage, so here we go. Boy, I felt like 40 minutes of scraping plastic away, but that turned out pretty good. Matches the front a lot better. Those were some weird stickers. They had like 2 layers on them, it seemed. Like whatever the top layer was, it completely faded out to black, but underneath had all that detail still left. It probably looks pretty good new, but they were toast. Okay, I think that's about good for today. It has been cold. It hailed a lot. So I think we will call it there. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you keep watching. I'll see you dudes later. I'm out.